Governments around the world no longer tolerate tax evasion. As a response, two key regulations, FATCA, the Foreign Tax Compliance Act, and CRS, the Common Reporting Standard, were introduced. Financial institutions have been made responsible for enforcing these regulations. These institutions are required to review hundreds of millions of tax forms each year. The review process can include validation, cross-checking, making complex classification decisions, calculating withholding tax, and reporting to authorities. And what about the customer? They hate completing these forms. Often, they find the process confusing and may require expert input. To make matters worse, financial institutions are not permitted to advise their customers on how to complete the forms. It is a cycle filled with confusion and frustration, and as a result, 65% of the time, customers submit an invalid form. This creates additional work for the financial institution, which has to chase customers for a correct submission. Inadequate validation of the tax forms, incorrect classifications of the customer, and incorrect reporting puts financial institutions at risk of paying costly regulatory fines. Not to mention, valuable human capital is tied up in validating these forms, which can be deployed elsewhere. All the while, there is mounting pressure for financial institutions to save costs, improve compliance, and the customer experience. Is there a solution? TAINA, the Tax Artificial Network Agent, has built a fully automated validation and classification solution for all types of FATCA and CRS forms. TAINA validates the tax forms in any format, including non-electronic, handwritten forms, which can be scanned into the platform. To see how TAINA can add value to your business, reach out to us on www.taina.tech.